Oh my God. At that, Queen. Oh my gosh. They're all over the camera, Mackenzie. I know. There's one on the camera right now. We have a vicious yellow jacket nest that we're going to take care of today for this homeowner. He got stung over 50 times and almost went to the hospital. And we're going to do it with Dawn dishwashing soap and Suck Norris, baby. Because you know what? We're straight up killers. Let's go. Dad, where even is this nest at? I don't even see one. It's very hard to see. They're coming in right here up from underneath the siding. Yes, be careful. Be careful. Gosh. The homeowner was trying to move this piece of siding out of the way with a pitchfork, and guess what? He got stung, I'm sure. They attacked him. He said that if his wife would have been out here and got stung, she would have had to go to the hospital because she's allergic. So, we don't know how big this colony is because it's underneath this siding. We're going to try to pull that siding back, and then Mackenzie Wario is going to put it on top of it like this. Yes, she's going to put it on top of it. And then, we're going to have a GoPro inside of there so that y'all can see the Yellowjackets better. Come on. We have a plan in mind. I just don't know if it's going to work out the way we hope it's going to, but you know what? We're going to have fun doing it. Oh yeah. But at the end of the day, we're definitely going to be able to dig up this yellow jacket nest and see how big it really is. I hope we can find the queen, Dad. That'll be so cool. Absolutely. Hey, let's go get suited up, come on. We don't want anybody getting stung. If Cornbread gets stung, Honey Bear's in trouble with Mama Bear. Let's go. Definitely don't want to get stung. That's the thing is about yellow jackets. Yellow jackets can sting you over and over and over again. They're vicious, they're mean. I think they're the devil. This thing is going to swallow me up. Yeah. I don't even know how to do it. I got you. Put it right this. Put this right here. Daddy's got you, baby girl. This is going to be intense. It's his be crazy. All right. Sighs and gasps. Let me put this over here. I'm zipping you up, baby. All ready? All right, let me see. I make sure that's closed. That's closed. Hey, if you think Cornbread looks cute in his bee suit, comment down in the chat below. We want to hear from you. Come on. I'm already getting hot, Dad. Oh, I'm already hot. Got your gloves on, baby? Yep, gloves on. I am not getting stung this time. I'm not getting stung. Yeah, them honeybees got you a couple times, didn't they, baby? Yeah, and it was not fun. Oh my God. What happened? I'm getting stung. Okay, just hang in there. I would rather be stung by a honeybee any day of the week than a yellow jacket. Yeah, and I thought the honeybee was bad. Here we go. Let's do it. Pray for us. All right, we got this little GoPro that's gonna go inside. It's gonna catch all the action. This is gonna be so cool. I can't wait to see what we get. All right, Mackenzie, we need this to go over top of that hole and right over top of it like that. You ready? Yeah, wait. You can just keep it like on top of it and pull it back at once. Like just keep it like this and I can keep it steady. You ready? Yeah. There they are. There's a hole. Oh yeah. One's on me right now. Look at that. They're trying to sting my glove right now. Wow, look how many are in there. Trying to get you. See the hole? Wow, they're all over the camera, Mackenzie. That is so cool. I wonder how many look at them. They're pouring out of there. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I'm gonna stomp over here. I'm watching you. It's okay, they're not going to get you. He said he got stung 25 times and I believe it. I would not want to be, oh my gosh, look over here. Are they still coming out? I think. Yeah, I see them out. There's a pheromone attractant right now that they're setting off and they're attacking this camera. Only the females can sting you, so yeah. Did you know that? Wow, they're all over. Well, you're the bug guy. You should know that. Right. Wow, they're still coming out of that nest. They're coming out even more. I wonder how big this nest is. Wow. Sorry for the lighting. We're underneath a bunch of oak trees. See? Thank goodness, though. I'm sure there's a ton of yellow jacket nests out in this area right down here. Yeah, there's one attacking my camera right now. Wow, this is so cool. Are they still coming out? I see one right there. Yeah, they're coming out. They're slowly coming out. I'm glad we got these suits on. There's one on the camera right now that is so funny. Yeah, they're literally trapped in here right now. Look at them all. Yeah, they're really trying to get out. Now all the other Yellowjackets are out foraging. Now they're coming back and they're starting to attack us. They're all over my face mask, my suit, my camera. They're all over the place. I told the homeowner, I said, "Take your dog and go inside and we'll get with you when we get done." He said, "No problem, I ain't coming outside." Laughter. Let's mix up some soap. Yeah, let's go mix up some soap and more. I'm going to try to kill some of these out here that are around us first. Dishwashing soap will kill wasps or yellowjackets or hornets. What it does, it allows the water to penetrate their exoskeleton and it literally drowns them. So, that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to drown some yellowjackets. How much you going to put in there, Dad? I'm just going to put a lot in there. Yeah, we gotta kill these things. What do we say we do, Mackenzie? We're straight up killers, Dad. We're straight up killers. I'm just gonna spray around the outside first. Yeah, spray around the outside and kill all the other ones, Ma. Oh yeah, look at that one right there. He's barely making it. Look at that. Oh yeah, yeah. It's definitely knocked them down some. They're not flying around as bad. Definitely not. Look at that. It doesn't kill them on contact. They're kind of hanging around in this edge right here. I wonder if it's because of light. I don't know why. I don't know why they like that edge so much. That's weird, ain't it? Yeah, that hole was way back here, but the edge of that siding was way up here. So they were going underneath that to get down into that hole. Yeah, see them? See, he's dead. He's about to die. He flew into it. Look, that one's dead. That one's dead. They're definitely not as bad around here as they was. That soap knocks them out. Look, that's crazy. Look at that. He dead. Yeah, he's dead. There's some over here that are just barely are flying around. Y'all, it's really hot in this bee suit right now. Yeah, look around. They're not flying around me like they were. That soap really knocked them out. So, an easy way to get rid of yellowjackets if you see a nest like this, just fill you up a pitcher of water, put some soap in it, come out here at night, and just literally pour that whole pitcher or 5-gallon bucket of water with soap in it. Just pour down in there and it will kill them. Hey Dad, you remember when Charles said we had yellowjackets in our yard and that's what you did? Exactly. I didn't have any insecticide in my house. I filled up a pitcher of water with soap in it and dumped it in there. Dead as a doornail. Never had a problem since.
Where even is this?
This is a safe and effective way. You know what I'm getting ready to do now? I'm getting ready to hook up Suck Norris. We're going to drill a hole inside of this and then we're going to try to suck them up and get rid of them. And then that way we can see what's inside this nest and how big it is and find the queen. In one of our Yellowjacket videos, there was a nest that hid out of the ground about this high, about 2 out of the ground. And I was sucking them up with a vacuum cleaner and everybody in the comments said, get a clear tube to suck them up because we want to see them get sucked up. Well, guess what we got today? Yes, we heard what you want and we made it happen. Now let's go see these yellowjackets get sucked up. Let's do it. Oh my gosh, one's coming out. Get it?
We don't know
I got my hand over it. Here we go.
Is because it's underneath the
hold
siding.
on. You want to hold on to it? There we go. Oh my gosh. Music. Hold on. There's still some coming in that hole. There's another one coming out. See it?
We have a plan
slowly but surely getting sucked up. Yeah.
I just don't know
Music
if
and
it's
I want
going
to suck.
to work out the
They're
way
all
we
over this
hope
camera.
It's going to.
Wow.
But you know what?
Look that. So are we ready?
We're going to
let's
have
dig this
fun
thing up.
doing it.
Look at all the dead ones right here from the soap.
How big
See
it
them?
really is.
Yeah, that is actually so crazy. Oh my god.
In GT.
Wow, look at that.
In GT.
Oh, some are coming out still.
I hope
oh my
we can
god.
find the
wow, look at
queen,
that.
Dad.
Look at this one. That's a lot of wow. Oh my god.
That'll
I'll pick
be
it up.
so cool.
Holy moly. Look at all of this is the queen.
In GT.
The queen. There's the
In
queen.
GT.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. Hold it, baby. Hold it. Don't squeeze her. I don't know if I have it or not.
Let's go get
Yeah, you
suited
do.
up.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Gosh.
Come on.
Open your hand. Oh my gosh,
We don't
she's right
want
there.
anybody
Oh my gosh,
getting
like
stung.
look at that. Look at that. Wow. That
Let's
is so
go.
cool, guys. We literally found the queen.
Definitely don't want
Yeah,
to get
look.
stung.
They're not that deep in here.
That's the
Yeah,
thing
it's
is
not
about
that deep at all.
Yellowjackets.
It's not a really We put her over here.
Yellowjackets
She dead.
can sting you over
that's it.
and over
No.
and over again.
Wait, I don't know. It keeps
They're
going deeper.
vicious.
We're done. Look in
They're
there.
mean.
In that corner right there.
I think
Right.
they're the devil.
Oh, I see a hole where they were coming out of.
In GT.
Yeah, I see it.
In GT.
That's
this
as deep
thing is
about as
going
deep
to
that
swallow
nest
me
was.
up.
It wasn't very deep.
In GT.
That's so cool.
In GT.
Look at all the
Yeah.
little babies in there. The larvae.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
In
Just
GT.
throw the rest of that
In
dishwashing
GT.
soap down this hole.
I don't even
Kill
know
off the
how
rest
to
of these
do
right
it.
here, Kenzie. What are we? We're straight
In
up killers,
GT.
y'all.
In
We saved this
GT.
homeowner's
I
life.
got you.
Come on, that's what we do. Dead.
Put it
Oh,
right
you can see the
this.
head in there. Last time
Put
I had a
this
yellow
right
jacket
here.
nest on our bottom back to the office, and I laid it on
Daddy's
one of the
got
girls'
you,
desks, and they
baby
started
girl.
literally hatching out in the office.
This
And boy,
is going
did they try
be
to tear my head
intense.
off. They were ticked off.
In GT.
Those ladies said,
In GT.
"Don't you ever
it
bring a
says be
yellow jacket
crazy.
nest back in here?" I'm like,
In
Yes, ma'am.
GT. In
"Hey
GT.
guys, where are y'all
All
watching
right.
from?" Because this was crazy.
In GT.
I
In
only see a few
GT.
flying around.
Size and
I don't really see.
gasps. In
Yeah,
GT.
I barely even see
In
any.
GT.
You know what I
Let
need
me
to do?
put this over
What?
here.
I just remembered. I probably need to
zipping
spray
you
some of
up,
this soap water in
baby.
the shop vac, because the ones that we sucked up
In
are still alive right now.
In GT.
Yeah, you might want to do
Already?
that. Yeah. Hey guys,
In GT.
if y'all live near us
In
and have a yellow
GT.
jacket nest or
All
any type
right,
of nest
let
and
me
want us to
see.
take it out, call us and we'll come take it out for free.
I make sure that's
I bet that
closed.
homeowner's going to think twice next time he reaches down to
That's
pick up a piece of
closed.
siding in his backyard. That's
We
the
want
only
to hear
bad thing
from
about
you.
dealing with yellow jackets in the summertime in Florida.
Come on.
It's so hot.
In
Like I feel like I'm
GT.
about to pass
In
out.
GT.
It's so hot right now.
Oh, I'm already
Let's get cornbread
hot.
out of this suit and let's try to finish this job up for this
Got your
homeowner.
gloves
Come
on,
on,
baby?
here you go. There you
In
go.
GT.
You can unscrew
In
that.
GT.
Uh,
Yep.
I can
gloves
breathe.
On.
Laughter. You can breathe.
I am
Yeah.
not getting stung this
All right.
time.
It's so hot. Lift
I'm
this
not
up right
getting
here.
stung.
Pull it up over your head. There you go. Feel
In
better?
GT.
Oh my
In
gosh.
GT.
I look like a hot
Yeah,
mess right now.
And it was not
You are a
fun.
hot mess, and clears throat. You like your mama.
Oh my god.
Hot mess. Don't even. This
In
job was
GT.
definitely a success,
In
y'all.
GT.
Thank God
What
for these
happened?
bee suits. Really. For real.
In
I'm gonna go get me
GT.
some water.
In GT.
I'll bring Dad's water too.
I'm getting stung.
Hey Dad, I brought you your water.
In GT.
You're awesome.
In GT.
Hold on a second.
Okay.
Stay hydrated.
Just hang in there.
Thank you, Lord. That's good right there.
In GT.
Thank you, baby.
In GT.
All right.
Here we go.
Guys, this is my main man. We call him
Let's
Cajun
do
because
it.
he's a Cajun from Louisiana.
Pray
And he
for
got tore
us.
up by the Yellowjackets, and we're here to
All
take care of
right.
it for him
We
because
got
he's a
this
good
little GoPro
friend
that's
of
going
mine.
to go
I really
inside.
appreciate him. So,
It's
you feeling
going to
better
catch
after getting
all the
attacked?
action.
Yeah.
This is
Laughter.
going to be
And
so
I tell you what,
cool.
the old fat boy moved pretty.
I can't wait
Them
to
yellow
see what we
jackets get after you. Move quick.
All right.
That praying, it gave a new
Mackenzie.
definition to praying in tongues, buddy.
You ready?
You got that right.
In
You got that right.
GT. In
Well,
GT.
We got him taken care of for you.
Wait.
And we appreciate you. And we're
You
glad
can
you're
just
okay.
keep it
And
like
the rest
on
of your
top
family's
of it and
okay.
Pull it back at
Oh
once.
yeah, man, it's all good. If the wife would have got it,
In GT.
you know what? Got
In
him a different
GT.
story.
You ready?
We weren't going to charge him anything, but I think
In
maybe you think we
GT.
can get a pack of
In
boudin from him.
GT.
Screaming. And groaning.
In GT.
He makes some of the best homemade
In
boudin you're
GT.
ever going to make in
There
your
they
life.
are.
It's so good. It'll make you want to
There's
lift it
a
and put it
hole.
up over your head and lick your eyeballs.
Oh,
That's how good it
yeah.
is. You don't want to
One's
spill.
on me
you
right
don't want
now.
to spill none on your forehead because it'll bring it.
Look at that.
Your tongue will come out and be freezing.
Trying
Laughter.
to get you?
We love you, man.
See the
We got you
hole?
taken care of. Love y'all
Wow,
too.
they're
buddy.
all over the camera.
I appreciate it.
Mackenzie.
Cool. I'll get them all.
In GT.
Then we'll have to make several
In
of them before
GT.
long.
That is so
Oh, yeah.
cool.
Yeah. These ones were about the hot
In
trip there.
GT. In
One a
GT.
very big nest.
I wonder
Definitely
how
not something
many
that we're
look at
used to.
them. They're pouring
We're used to
out of
this a
there.
lot bigger than this. But this right here can cause a
In
lot of damage.
GT.
So
In
we're able to get
GT.
rid of them for
Oh
this
my
homeowner.
gosh.
We appreciate that.
That is
No more
so
yellow
cool.
jackets. Hey guys, thank you for
I'm
watching
going to
this video.
stomp over here.
Thank you for all your comments. We really appreciate them. But
watching
most
you.
of all, thank you for subscribing
He
and
said
supporting
you
this
got
channel.
stung 25
And as always,
times,
God
and
bless.
I believe it.
Bye, y'all. Laughter.